Can you imagine that only one tool can generate the whole workflow of a complete AI anime story with different camera angles, movements, and visuals? Not only anime, but other styles as well. And honestly, I spent weeks perfecting the system using one of the most advanced AI video tools that nobody is talking about. Now, I'm giving you my tutorial so you can follow along. And honestly, this whole thing took me less than 10 minutes to make a complete video using a new AI tool that not a lot of people know about. Here's what makes this different from other AI tools. Everything happens in one single tool. I'm not jumping between 5 different platforms, managing multiple subscriptions, or trying to piece together clips from different sources. Everything just runs through one place, and everything actually works together. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to create this. You'll see how I go from a single line to a complete animated story. And by the end, you'll be creating your own AI videos that look good. The AI tool I'm using here is called Focal, and you can get this tool and follow my entire workflow to create this animation by clicking the link in the description. In Focal, you can not only access all AI models in one place to test and compare, but you can also change the voice, scenes, and edit the video using the AI agent. So, if you're serious about AI and want the best tool that will not limit you by forcing you to purchase different subscriptions, click the link in the description so you can follow along. Keep in mind, Focal is a very advanced AI tool. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go over to the link in the description, which will take you to the site. And all you need to do now is sign up using your Gmail account. Now, all we need to do is generate a video. For this, you can see here that you can generate your video from an idea using a script or even in JSON format. This is a good part of this website. For generating your prompts, you need a chatbot like Gemini or ChatGPT. For me, I will use ChatGPT. Ask GPT, I want to create an anime story video using AI. Give me 10 ideas that can catch the algorithm fast and go viral. After this, hit the Generate button. As soon as you hit the Generate button, ChatGPT will give you a few prompt ideas on which you can generate your dedicated video. As you can see here, it generated 10 prompt ideas. Those are really engaging. For me, I will use the third one, which is Weakest Student Secretly Has the Strongest Power. I will copy the prompt from here and go to our Focal website. As I am generating the video from an idea, I will choose From an Idea and paste the prompt here. And I will write Anime Style because I want the video in anime style. Now you can choose the duration. Here is a good part. You can generate up to a 5-minute video using this website. For me, I will use 30 seconds since I'm showing a tutorial. After that, if you click on the plus icon, you can see the models for image, video, and voices. From here, you can see the image models. Top grade models like GPT Image 1.5, C-Dance 4.5, Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, and many more. For me, I will use Nano Banana Pro. To choose the video generation model, again, click on this plus icon, then Model, then Video, and you can see different high-profile models over here, like VO 3.1, C-Dance 1.5 Pro, Kling 3.0 Pro, High-Low 2.3, and many more. For me, I will use Google VO 3.1 Fast, or you can use Google VO 3.1 for higher quality video as well. Once you select that, you can choose any language as your preference, and then hit the arrow button. As soon as you hit this, you will see that it opens as a new project where the website automatically creates the full workflow of the video. This is the good part of this website. Here, you don't need to do a bunch of work. The website will automatically do the job for you. You can see here that it's working and generating our video. From here, you can choose your audio style, video style, duration, and ratio. For me, I will choose the YouTube ratio, 16:9 and 30 seconds. From here, you can choose 63 different styles. For me, I will use the anime style right now. You can see here it's generating our full story scene by scene. Once it generates the full workflow for our video, it will ask you whether your configuration is right or not. If you want to adjust something, just ask through the prompt here and it will change it accordingly. For me, everything is right. That's why I will choose Yes, Start Generating. Once you have clicked on Yes, Start Generating, it will open a new window. That is the video editing area. This is really amazing. You can edit your full videos on this website. We don't need any dedicated apps or any software like CapCut or After Effects to edit your video. You can see here that it's working and generating the images, video, and editing by itself. We will wait for a moment and let it generate our video. After a moment, you can see all the video clips in the timeline and you can edit them accordingly. You can see a prompt box here. You can change anything in the video you want from here. For example, first, watch this. Now I want to change the background music, so I will ask the agent to add background music that goes with the mood of this video. Then it will process for a second and change the audio like this. Now, I don't like the animations, so I will ask the agent to use Kling 3 for the videos, and it will process again, as you can see here. After a moment, the clips are ready. Now, I didn't hear the voice properly, so I will ask the agent again, the voices are not in the video, fix it, and then it will fix the video like this.
The crystal is dying. If we don't act now, everything we've built will be destroyed. Enough! You speak treason!
You are a traitor to this king.
You can see on the side the AI media, chat, characters, stock media, and transitions. If we click on transitions, you can see different transitions over here. You can use them according to your preference depending on which transition goes best with your video. For me, I will choose Morph for the first video. To do it, you need to click on the transition area and then click on Edit, then you can find the transition options. Just find the name and select it. It will be added automatically. For the next scene, I will choose Linear Blur. I will do it again. Click Edit, and then I will change it from here. The good thing is, you can also add auto captions from here. Just go to the caption area, move the timeline to your captions, and change the style however you want. Another good thing is, this website uses 11 labs for voice generation. If you come across the text area, you can add any heading or any body text, such as a watermark for your channel or your page. You can add it from here. From the Effects tab, you can add many effects. In the Stock Media section, there are thousands of music, videos, and images here. You can use them according to your preference. Also, here you can see the Characters panel. From here, you can add more characters to your video. Once you have checked that everything is perfect and accurate, just hit the Export button. You can change the name as you prefer, then select the video quality. For me, I will choose the highest quality, which is 1080p. After that, hit Export. The best thing is, you don't need any credits to export, and there is also no watermark. It will take a moment to render your video, and then click on View Your Video. It will open the video in another tab. By clicking the 3 dots, you will see the download option. Just download it from there. As you are getting these huge facilities from a single site, I think their pricing is quite good. Let's see it. You can get 30 free credits here and 10 daily credits when the initial credits run out. But you can also get 1,000 credits by referring your friend, so that's a positive thing. And if you need to generate your videos in huge quantity, I would recommend you purchase the Pro plan or start with the standard $30 plan and then move to the $100 plan. So, if you want to get the best output according to your expectations, you must visit Focal, which is giving huge facilities to help you reach your goal. Subscribe to me for more informative videos, and I will meet you in the next one.